Hey guys, it's Dominic from City Warmth in Brighton here. Happy New Year. Did you know that over the course of 2022, City Warmth either installed or replaced 76 gas boilers? And at the start of the year, we're at it again. It's the 3rd of January and behind me is a Romea, which is a Baxi combi boiler, which is in need of replacement due to a corroded case. Let's see how it goes. There you are people. Across the course of an 8-hour day, the customer has a new boiler installed, fully operational and flushed. They opted to go for a main combi boiler, which is again part of the Baxi family and comes with a 5-year warranty. And for controlling the heating, we are using the pre-existing Nest thermostat, which gives them automation and optimization for controlling their heating, energy saving features. And the main comes with open therm technology, which has been wired in to give them even more savings on their gas bill. Happy, win-win all round. Every new boiler from City Warmth comes with an energy saving room thermostat, a magnetic central heating filter, a mains chemical flush, 3-month homeowner technical support, up to a 12-year manufacturer warranty and your first service free of charge, all part of the package. To book your new boiler survey today, click on the link below. For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.